Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? If you are new to this channel, then welcome. Alright, okay. Alright guys, I have been noticing that many of you are watching my video but not subscribing. कुछ तो गड़बड़ है दया. Okay fine, I'll just stop this नौटंकी. बट कर लो यार, सब्सक्राइब करने में क्या जाता है. सिर्फ आपको क्या करना है, छोटा सा लाल वाला जो बटन है ना वो कोने में, वो वाला दबाना है. बट दैट डजंट मीन के सब्सक्राइब किया एंड चलो काम हो गया. यू मस्ट वॉच माई वीडियोज टिल द एंड. ओके सो गाइस, विदाउट फर्दर अड्यू, लेट्स डाइव इनटू द वीडियो. As you know guys, South Korean dramas are becoming really popular in India, and so oh mama my, it's K-pop music. BTS, Blackpink, Twice, Red Velvet, EXO, Lee Min-ho and what not. I'm crazy about K-dramas. Oh, not just K-dramas but Asian dramas. I always used to wonder while watching those dramas that what makes these Korean people's skin so glowing and glassy. And then I have discovered K-beauty. Well, if you are that kind of person who is obsessed with skincare, then you need to know that the Korea is famous for its natural and best skincare products throughout the world. And today I am going to talk about one of its famous brand named Face Shop and its sheet masks. Face Shop is very well known and trusted brand of Korea when it comes to skincare and makeup. The Face Shop is lower mid-range Korean cosmetic brand whose marketing is much like Innisfree and focus is on natural ingredients. When you think of Korean skincare, you can't miss out on sheet mask, and I have to say Face Shop does have good and affordable sheet masks. Masks are most commonly made from either cotton fiber sheet or man-made cellulose fibers. All these materials are plant derived, so they are non-irritating. Face Shop have three ranges in their sheet masks. First one is the basic one. Second one is the solution based sheet mask, which are slightly expensive than the basic one. And third one is extensive care for best results, which are double the rate than the solution masks. So today I'll be reviewing their basic sheet mask range. They have wide variety of options to choose from. The one I'll be reviewing today works best for me. Each sheet mask will cost you around 100 rupees and you can purchase it from Myntra, Nykaa or any other e-commerce website. So guys, the rice mask is my most favorite mask out of this entire range and is best to brighten up dull skin. So guys, if you have really dull skin, then this is the mask you can opt for. And from first use itself, you can see visible changes. This mask contains rice extract, which softens and brightens rough and dark skin. So guys, now let's see how to use this mask.
Before applying mask, you always need to prep yourself. Read the instructions on the package carefully before use. Now remove mask from the package. Unfold the sheet mask and place it on your face, aligning the holes to your eyes, nose and mouth. If there is any remaining essence left in the bag, pat the extra essence all over your face, neck, arms, elbow, knees, etc. Now sit back for 10 to 15 minutes. Now peel off the mask and gently massage the essence into your face for maximum absorption.
Masking is a great way to look after your skin as a part of your daily skincare routine. In addition to daily cleansing, toning, moisturizing, a regular masking regime can infuse your skin with nourishment, moisture and youthful luminosity. A common mistake a beginner make is leaving sheet mask on for too long. Remember, do not leave sheet mask on overnight. Sheet mask should be kept for 10 to 12 minutes or max to max 20 minutes. Leaving sheet mask on until they dry will cause reversal effect as sheet mask will begin to reabsorb moisture from your skin, okay, which is not good. A small note: if you are sensitive to alcohol, fragrance, or anything from the ingredients list, then please do not use this. So guys, this is it for today's video. I hope it was helpful and informative. If you like my video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. Until then, bye bye.